Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to promote ClickBank products and drive high quality free traffic towards your product. All right, my name is Andy. I'm in the internet marketing since last 2 years, and on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to keep learning about internet marketing, please consider to subscribing. Okay, friends. So promoting other company product is the best way making money online, and it is called affiliate marketing. Before I get on how to promote ClickBank products on Pinterest, I wanted to give you a bit touch of affiliate marketing. So it is the easiest way to make money online as a beginner. Before I get on how to promote ClickBank products on Pinterest, I wanted to give you a little bit touch about affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make money online for beginner right now. So if we are just getting started to build, our online empire, so you need to have your own product or service, because any business, of course, you will need a product or service that you wanted to promote in affiliate marketing. So we can simply link with other companies and promote their products, so we don't have to invest or create your own product. So that's the good thing about affiliate marketing. So we just need to focus on marketing and build our online presence to attract the audience. That's what we call traffic. So audience, it's mean traffic. So you just have to remember that. ClickBank is a marketplace for different affiliate program where different companies list their product in different category. It could be like weight loss, or maybe make money online, or information product, gardening, or maybe cats and dogs. All different kind of categories you can promote. A lot of company will promote in ClickBank. So all these companies, they offer specific percentage of commission per sale. So we as an affiliate can promote those products in different ways. We have to run targeted traffic. We have to run a very laser target traffic towards that product in order to get the sales. So we're not gonna shoot all different audience or different traffic. So we have to laser target, what kind of audience that we wanted to promote our product. Let's suppose we choose to promote a weight loss product, and for that we need an audience or traffic which is interested in losing weight. So think about this: what kind of audience or what kind of traffic that people who need what do you call that, the weight loss product, as you can already imagine what kind of people they are. So those are the target or laser target traffic that we're gonna focus on. So Pinterest is the platform we use to run a free traffic at this topic. So Pinterest is one of the few social media out there, where you can still get targeted traffic at $0. As described earlier, one of the most important elements of making money online is to get a laser target traffic. We researched, and clarified that Pinterest users is worth, in average, about $52 per user. So people on Pinterest are more likely to buy the product if we target them in the right way. That's the reason, Pinterest is one of the best sources to promote affiliate products. There's a steps to optimize Pinterest for running free traffic. to promote your ClickBank product on Pinterest. So here are the steps to drive traffic from Pinterest. Now, step number 1, you need to choose the niche. First, you have to choose a specific niche in which you can grow with your audience. I mean, you can target your audience, and it is very important step, because if you will not choose one of the specific niche to promote your product, it will become very difficult to gain impression on your Pinterest account. And the reason is that the engagement rate on your post will be less, and if engagement rate on your post is less, that means it becomes more difficult to get ranking. So it is the algorithm of all social media, on the internet, like Facebook, they have also the same thing. YouTube also, they have the same thing. So if you are getting more engagement, you will get more impression. If you're sticking to one niche and you get the same type of audience toward your post and your account, and it converts into more engagement and more impression on your Pinterest account. Now, step number 2, set up your Pinterest profile. The second step is to set up your Pinterest profile, especially that in that category. Let's say it's a weight loss product, for example. So you need to make a Pinterest profile specifically for weight loss niche. And then you need to create a stunning looking profile image and update your bio also. Link your site with Pinterest. It builds Pinterest account authority and vice versa. Step number 3, create 15 pins. Now, you need to create at least 15 pins, and your pin, you have to talk about, problem that you offer of a solution, which is in this case, it's, what do you call that, weight loss. So you can design these pins on Canva or Photoshop or any, design software. You can do that. So you just make the image, on Pinterest for that weight loss category. Maybe you can show like a person from have a weight, and then you have a picture of the person who have a lose weight. So that's just for the example. And then step number 4, use hashtag. So hashtags are very powerful in Pinterest, and hashtag make it simple for Pinterest to understand where they have to place your pin, and it helps you to target your customer. And when your pin is in front of the right audience, it will also result in a good impression. Okay, step number 5. Create your boards. You should have at least 3 public boards and the replicas, which are set as private board. You then need to upload the pins that you create into the relevant private board, but you have to make sure that boards follow on your niche. And then step number 6, pin other posts. To gain more visibility, save at least 50 to 100 pins from other accounts in your boards, and it will give you more eyeballs. So then, more eyeball means convert into more clicks, means it will convert more into leads, and then, convert more sales eventually. And then step number 7, consistency is a power. So what does that mean? Consistency in Pinterest, on Pinterest is is in the element that's going to give you an edge when you are just getting started with Pinterest. It is the algorithm of 99% social media out there that your account is if it's consistent in posting, your posts will be promoted by the social media engine. And to get the free traffic, we have to put some value in the marketplace first, consistently. Means that you need to give them like maybe a knowledge, about how to lose weight, and maybe you can give them some kind of tips, what kind of food that you should eat or maybe you should not eat when you want to have a weight loss, and so on and so on. So the more you give and the more you get. Pin at least 3 to 5 pins every day. That's what you need to do. Then your Pinterest account will grow. Okay, method to promote products. If we talk how to promote ClickBank products on Pinterest, the most important factor is the method to convert traffic into leads and then into sales. Driving traffic is very easy. We can easily drive audience, and there are many ways or many methods to run advertisement, but it takes a little strategy to convert your traffic into sales. So because they are real people, and in the business at the end of the day, we want dollars. We have to convert this cold audience into hot audience first with just with a simple strategy. Now I'm gonna give you two methods. Method number one, with a blog. So you can create a blog. You can write a blog for your audience, and in your pins, you can mention you have free guidance for them. So come and read, our article. So in that way, people can, come to read the article about your weight loss product. So this strategy will be giving you more visits or eyeball to your website, because you are putting a value in your marketplace. As I mentioned earlier, the more you give, the more you will get. So you have to try to give as much as you can any knowledge about the product that you promote. In this case, weight loss. You can tell them how many days you can eat. How many times you eat. And then what kind of food, maybe exercise, what kind of exercise you need to do. So those kind of things, you just give them value first. So ClickBank product convert very well through blog. That's the first method. And then the second method is with lead generation system. This is another way to providing value. You can give them some kind of a free guide or free ebook or free cheat sheet or free maybe blueprint to your audience, or maybe you give them a video training in exchange to get their email. So that's the second method you need to do. You basically just need to get your audience email first by giving them a value, so that we have to now, for you to get that lead, you will need to create a landing page or capture page to generate leads for us. And landing page is just a simple one page, a website. It's used to generate leads or emails. And what people say, the money is on the list. So that's what it means, when you get the email from your audience, then that email is gonna be your future money you will produce from there by sending them email later on. This is an awesome conversion method that is used when we are using Pinterest to promote ClickBank program or products. Okay, friends. So if you think that this video give you any value or helpful, please give a like on this video. And if you have any question, you can always leave the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I hope you can learn more with me in the future. So I will see you in the next video.